In the heart of the city, silence hangs heavy, but from the shadows, the web begins to glow. From the skyscrapers descends the Toxic Tarantula, eyes blazing, venom dripping, and webs strong enough to strangle a city. Steel against silk, every strike shreds venomous webs as the warrior fights to survive the spider's snare. One crushing blow brings the beast down, the web unravels, and the city breathes again. The web of doom is broken, but more monsters are waiting in the dark. Like and subscribe to join the fight.